Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install MySQL Community Server 9.70 LTS on this Windows machine. To download the software in Google search box right there MySQL, then go on this mysql.com site. Then after scroll down, then in the download section here you can get the MySQL Community Server. Then you can get their 7 for this. So let's use their 9.70. This is for Windows, or you can select different operating system. So they're selecting the Windows. They after MSI file, zip, and this one. So there I'm going to download their MSI file. Click on this download. You can do the login or sign up here. Clicking this, just start my download. Now you can see this here MySQL 9.70 Windows MSI file currently downloading. The total size 174 MB. Now you can see MySQL 9.70 this downloaded. Simply you need to click on this MSI file, then OK. Now here setup wizard that's come there. Click on next. Here I accept. Then click on next. Complete, and now you need to click on this install button. Come from Oracle America, let's click on yes button, and there you can see installing MySQL Server 9.7. So this currently installing there. This is now a status, copying new files, status, and here this is now for run MySQL configuration. So you need to select this, thereafter click on finish. From Oracle America, click on yes button. And there you can see this all steps. Let's click on next, next, next. Here root password we need to give. Thereafter let's use their user and give their password. Now after giving this, click on OK. Click on next, 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 and get the Sakila database and Vault. These two should be created. Let's click on next, and now click on execute. So this here applying the configuration, second last step is there. So this starting the server and initializing database, creating user account, this all process is going on. Done successfully. Let's click on next and finish. Thereafter here in search box right there MySQL. Then you can get there MySQL command line. This one, first one selecting there root password we need to give. So this connected. Thereafter this you can see here MySQL 9.78 community server that install. Thereafter using the Sakila database, so that use Sakila database change. Let's see the contents on inside the actor table. So select a start from actor, press enter. So this is now displaying. So this is the way we can do installation of MySQL Community Server 9.70 LTS on this Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.